Hey coders, welcome back to Code Tech Chronicles, the place where logic meets creativity and code becomes fun. Today we are starting off our Java programming series with 5 foundational programs every beginner must know. So let's dive right in. Program 1, Hello World. Let's start with the most iconic program, the Hello World. This is your first step into the world of Java. Let's look at the following program. Let's see what it runs. We got the output Hello World. Simple, clean and powerful. If you saw this output, you are officially written your first Java program. Now let's go deep into each step of this program. Public class Hello World. This is a class declaration in Java. Every program must have at least one class. Public, this means the class is accessible from anywhere, other packages or classes. Class, a keyword that declares a new class. Hello World, the name of the class, it must match the file name. If you are saving the file, that is hello world.java. Think of the class as the container that holds all your code. Now goes the method declaration. Public static void main. This line is the entry point of the Java program. Let's break it down further. Public, again, this means it is accessible from anywhere, required so Java can find it. Static, this allows the method to run without creating an object of the class. Java start here automatically. Void, this means the method does not return any value. Main, the name of the method, it's a special keyword in Java, the first thing to run. String array args, an array of strings that can be passed as command line arguments when running the program. If this method isn't written correctly, your Java program won't run. Finally, this line prints text to console. System.out.println in parentheses a double-quoted string, it is hello world. Let's look at it. System, a built-in class in Java lang package. Out, a static member of system class. It represents a standard output stream. Println, a method to print the output followed by a new line. And the string hello world is actually a message that is being printed. Let's run it again. Hello world. If we say CTC for our Code Tech Chronicles and then we rerun it, it prints hello world CTC. Let's move on to program 2. Printing ASCII value of a character. Let's print the ASCII value of a character. Why? Because every character in Java has an integer representation behind the scene. You can cast a character to an int to get its ASCII. Let's run this program. The ASCII value of B is 66. We can run it for A. The ASCII value of A is 65. Let's see the explanation. So again, the first line is public class ASCII value, which makes it available to Java as a class publicly. Then we have the main method, similarly public static void main, same syntax. This is the main method where Java starts executing the program. Then comes the line char cha. You are declaring a character variable named ch and assigning it a value a in single quotes because it's a character. Char is a data type of single character, uses single quotes. And single quote A is the character we want to find ASCII value of. Each character in Java is actually stored as a number in Unicode, and ASCII values are the first 128 of these. Second line, int ASCII in parenthesis e int and then ch. Here's where the magic happens. You are typecasting the character to an integer. This int in parenthesis before ch, this converts the character a into corresponding ASCII value. ASCII is an integer variable that stores that result. So this cast works because characters in Java are really stored as numeric codes under the hood. Finally, we use system.out.println to print our output on the console. Now the plus operator here appends the result in our console, or it is called string concatenation. ASCII value of is a string. Then we print the value of ch. Then we print is, and then finally the ASCII. Let's see the value ASCII value of C. ASCII value of C is 67. This program can help in encryption, comparison, and more advanced logic later on. Let's move to the third program. Swap two numbers. Ever needed to swap two values? Here's the classic technique used using a temporary variable. Store one value temporarily, overwrite it, and reassign the second using the temp. Let's see the output first. We can see before swap, the output is like before swap a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 10, and after swap a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 5. Let's see how this works. Again, first we declare the class swap numbers, then the main method public static void main, which is the starting point for our program. Then we define two int variables. Here you declare and initialize two int variables, a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 10. This statement stores value 5 in variable a, and this statement stores 10 in a variable b, separated by a comma. We will now swap these values in two variables. First, we print the initial values with a statement before swap a is equals to the value of a and b is equals to the value of b. After that, we assign a new variable. Here you temporarily stores the value of a into a new variable called temp. Temp is equals to a. This ensures we don't lose the original value of a, where we overwrite it in the next step. A is equals to b. You assign the value of b into a. A is now 10. You have successfully copied b into a. Now b is equals to temp. Now assign the original value of a, which was stored in temp, to e. B is now 5. The swap is now complete. Hooray! Finally, we print it with system.out.println. After the swap, a is equals to a and b is equals to b, which is like after a swap, a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 5. Summary: we had two numbers a, 5 and 10. We used a temporary variable to hold the value while we switch them. Then we reassign the values to complete the swap. And finally print show to updated values. That's it for today's episode of Code Tech Chronicles. Try out these, tweak the numbers, play with logic, and see what happens. Like, comment your favorite beginner Java program, and subscribe for more code magic.